Goal setting, one of my favorite subjects. Have you ever set goals in the past? How did you do it? Did you write them down? Did you just have them in your head? Which way worked better? If you've set goals in the past, did you achieve them or did you not achieve them? If you didn't achieve them, have a think back and think about what it was that you didn't do, that you can do now to achieve your goals. If you did achieve them, what was it that made you go and get this goal? What was it that made you so excited and motivated to go for it? Think about it for a second while you're pausing the video. It's very important. Were your goals maybe slightly too big? Did you not break them down in little action steps or little sub-goals? Because that's quite important. If you have this big, massive dream, it might be overwhelming. It might be too big for your brain to comprehend, to cope with, that you might actually achieve that. So if you have this massive dream, make it into little subjects. And then those little goals you set as separate little sub-goals. Always keeping in mind your big dream, because you can do it. What makes you want to set goals? You've got a dream, put it down on paper, you've got a goal. Perfect.